Hey guys, it's Jess. Today I'm going to be recreating this look, which was inspired by this photo. I'm going to try to put it here of Emily Ratajkowski, a photo that she posted, which I believe, so Hung Van Gogh, I think his name is. He's a popular celebrity makeup artist. He did her makeup. Love his work that he does. It's always so amazing. Yeah, so I kind of took inspiration from that photo to do this look because I loved it so much. So yeah, it's just gonna be a just kind of get ready with me video. I'm obviously at home, which everyone should be if you are able to. I felt creative and I just wanted to do my makeup even though I'm not going anywhere. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and that it's helpful for you. I hope the lighting is okay throughout it. I had to use one of my studio lights because it's raining outside and it's super dark. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. You will see me in the next clip. So first I'm going to use the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40. Doesn't matter because I'm not going outside. So yeah. But I'm just gonna put, I really should be using a mirror. So I'm just gonna rub that in. Let me grab a mirror. In the photo, it looks like she just has a really light base on, so that's what I'm gonna do. And that's what I always do actually, so yeah. I love this Ilia Super Skin Serum. It's so good. I just started using it like last week. See, it just kind of evens out your skin tone and gives you a really nice glow. Okay, so now I'm going to use some concealer. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And the shade that I used in the Ilia Skin Tint, if anyone is wondering, it is Matira, I don't know. Yeah, and so I'm just gonna put it under some spots. So how have you guys been doing? I know that it's a really weird time for everyone with all this uncertainty of not knowing what's gonna happen with the whole virus thing, and people are losing their jobs. It's just not a fun time for anyone, I don't think. But I hope that you guys are all healthy and staying safe and staying home if you can. Obviously, I know that a lot of people don't have that luxury, so but just please stay safe. I have like so many makeup looks saved in my like Instagram saved folder and also my Pinterest that I've been wanting to do, but I am always I just always do like my regular makeup, but I never experiment, even though I have quite a lot of like makeup like products, and I think it's really fun to experiment using eyeshadow and stuff, and I literally never do. So I'm going to make it a thing to upload these sorts of videos, taking inspiration from different photos that I see online and recreating them, because it'll give me something to do while being home when I'm not working, and it'll also just motivate me to try different things with my makeup. I seriously can't wait to go outside again and wear actual clothes, because I've been just like wearing sweatpants. I'm actually wearing jeans right now because all my sweatpants are dirty. So I also probably wouldn't be wearing jeans inside because that's uncomfortable. Okay, so now that the base is done, I'm going to set my under eyes. using the Fenty translucent powder to set my under eyes. Whoa. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face, like my T-zone here. I seriously love this skin tint. It's so good. Because it's like a serum, it has like benefits rather than what a normal skin tint would have, and it's like the consistency is like a serum. It's literally like a tinted serum. It's okay. So now that we have done that, shall I move on to the eyes? Okay, so I'm looking at the picture on my computer. Looks like it's just like brown eyeshadow with some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go with that. Try to emulate the look as much as I can. So I'm gonna be using the Kylie Cosmetics, what's the burgundy palette. I always use this palette when I'm wearing eyeshadow, when I'm wearing like brown eyeshadow, but it's really pretty. Obviously you guys probably know this has been out for a while. So let me find a brush. Okay, finally found some eyeshadow brushes. Obviously haven't done eyeshadow in a really long time. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color right here in the middle. It's called Beach. And I'm going to use this like crease brush. I'm going to run it through the crease here. And kind of give it that like wing effect. Get back in like that. And guys, I am not professional. I am not a professional makeup artist, so this will probably not come out how hers looks. Hold up. I need some chapstick. And then to the other eye. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing it on both eyes until it looks how I want it to look. And then I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is called Dubai, with a more flat brush. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. Sorry, I'm really trying to get a good angle, but it's kind of hard. I will get better, I promise. I'm gonna go in with that same flat brush and just dip into both of the colors that I just used and put it underneath here. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to do some brown liner, kind of not like a wing, but kind of like smoke it out to give that effect that she has. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the MAC eye pencil in Teddy, and I always use this one. I don't really like black eyeliner unless I'm doing like a wing, but I just think that it looks better on me when I do brown. So first I'm gonna do it here at the top and just kind of do that. It doesn't have to be like perfect because I'm just gonna like smudge it out, make it look a little bit messy. Then I'm gonna go down here and put it not all the way, just kind of like halfway, and also on the lid as well. Okay, so I am going to smudge out the liner that I just put here. Okay, so I'm just gonna use like a brush that looks like that, and just, actually I'm gonna use the other side because it's a bit thicker and it stabbed me on the bottom here. And then on the top I'm gonna use this thinner side. So now that it is smudged out, I'm going to do my brows. So I'm just gonna use the Glossier Boy Brow. Just gonna run that through my brows. Okay, now that the brows are done, I'm going to go back and finish the eyes. So I'm just gonna do two more things. I'm going to put some highlight in my inner corner and then the mascara. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Luster Dust in Au Revoir. I've been using this for so long. Really gonna use that same brush. I reuse brushes for a million things. I really don't care. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip into here and put it in my inner corner here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara. So I'm going to be using the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. And I'm gonna primarily focus it on the outer edge of my lashes. Okay, so now that eyes are done, we're almost done, I'm going to bronze up my face. So I'm using the Ilia, their new Nightlight bronzing powder, and they also have a new highlighter that just recently launched. And I also have a discount code for Ilia Beauty if any of you guys want to use it. You get 15% off anything on their website. So I'll put it right here. It's JV15. So if you use that code, you get 15% off. So it's really good if you guys want to save some money, and their products are so good, like my new favorite brand. I absolutely love them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this brush into the bronzer and put it here. She's really bronzed, so I also want to be really bronzed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Ilia Multi-Stick in the shade At Last for some blush. So I'm just going to apply it on my face like this, put it on my nose. Okay. And I'm gonna blend it in. Doesn't look like she's wearing too much blush in the photo. It's just all about the bronzer. But I did have to put a little bit of blush on because I really do love blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some highlighter on. I'm gonna use another product by Ilia. It's their new Daylight Highlighting Powder, and it looks like this. Love this product, so I'm just gonna dip into it with this brush and pop some on my cheekbones and basically all of the high points of my face. And I love this highlighter because it's super natural. It's not glittery at all, but when it hits the light, like, it just, your face looks like it's glowing. I love that. Okay, so for lips, it looks like she's wearing like a pinky brown color. So I'm gonna try to find, I might have to mix some colors. I have all of these Revlon like matte and then non-matte lipsticks that I recently just got sent, and I've been wanting to try them out. So I might have to mix two colors to get that color that she has. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is mix these two colors. I don't know, hopefully it turns out right. So these are the Revlon Super Lustrous. Are these the matte ones? Yeah, they're the Super Lustrous matte ones, and this is Hot Chocolate and then Untold Stories. And then I'm also gonna use, probably over top, this Revlon Super Lustrous Shine in Sparkling Quartz, and it's basically just like a lip topper that you put over the lipstick. So I'm gonna start off with this color. I don't know if this is gonna be the right color, but we're just gonna go with it. We just want that brown kind of pinky nude color. So I'm gonna be really light. Just gonna kind of dab it on. Might be a bit too dark, but I'm gonna put on this lighter brown nude color, pinky nude. Kind of looks like the same color. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the lip topper, just to make it a little bit more shiny. Oh, it smells really good. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is add some faux freckles, and I do that just by using this L'Oreal Brow Stylist brow stylist definer pencil, and basically just dot it wherever I have like natural little freckles. Okay, so that is the finished makeup look. I think I did a pretty good job considering I don't veer off the path of my regular makeup. Yeah, so that's the look. I'll list all of the products that I used below with links to get them, and let me know if you recreate this look or if you like this video. I plan to do more videos like this, and also other videos, styling videos, just basically anything. I really want to be more active on here, and I'm going to take the time that I've been spending at home, since I'm going to be home a lot, and just film videos. So let me know if you guys like this video and what other videos that you guys want to see. Please leave it in the comments. Yeah, I'd love to know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.